Hello and welcome to Session 7. This session is about links and how to get more of them for your business. It's a lot to cover, so let's jump right in. You know, when you search on Google, you see something like this. These are paid ads across the top of the page, and these are paid ads along the right side. These, on the left, are organic links that the search engines rank and display. Now here's the question for you. Where do you think most people click on a typical search page? Well, statistics tell us that being in the organic section is best if you're in the top part. In fact, 75% of all search results are in the organic section. Now, statistics also say that the smarter you are, the more likely you are to pick an organic link as opposed to a purchased ad. Now, the one drawback to pay-per-click is that once you stop paying to be there, you're gone. The one bad thing about the organic side is that it's based on performance, and when your site stops performing, well, it loses its page ranking. So we've all heard of search engine optimization, or SEO. But exactly what is it? Well, without getting too technical, let's just say that it's the art of making your site more attractive to the search engines. Now, 25% of your site's SEO can be accomplished on your website by your webmaster or web designer. For instance, when we build a website for a client, we consider keywords, tags, page title, and page text in our design to maximize their return. But 75% of search engine optimization is off-site, and most of that is links coming into your site. We talked about links a lot in the last section, and you're going to hear a little bit more about them now because it's just that important. I recently heard a very good explanation of different types of links, and it compared it to different types of referrals that you might get. Our first type of referral would be something like this: I know Rory Graham. When you hear that, you might be inclined to go to my website or check out my blog. Referral type 2 is something like this: Rory Graham is a video marketing expert. This puts the recommendation in context as to who this person is and why you should contact him. The third type of referral is someone telling you that Rory Graham is a video marketing expert, but this person saying this to you is someone that you trust. That is the strongest of the three referrals. You can think of links as online recommendations or referrals. The first level is a link to your site, something like this: www.avsvideo.com. It uses a URL or web address, and it's saying, I know this site. The second type of link is an anchor text link. This type of link includes anchor text like this: video production service. This describes what you do. This is much better because it adds context and relevance to the link. The third type of link is when you get an anchor text link from a trusted site. In this case, a trusted site is one that the search engines trust. If you want to know how you can tell if a site is trusted, I would say that it's by their website score. The higher the website's grade, the higher the trust factor. You can check out any website for free at www.websitegrader.com. Okay, so links are important, and backlinks is what we're after. We've already talked about using blogs to help create links, and the next two items are also geared to increase our backlinks and exposure. Let's take a look at the first one, article marketing. According to Wikipedia, article marketing has become increasingly popular as a marketing method under the Web 2.0 generation of business on the Internet. Many subjects have gained popularity through viral propagation of articles by way of social networks, such as Facebook and LinkedIn. Besides posting articles on social media sites, you can also post them on article directory sites. Of course, each article contains links to your website. Some article directories let others use the article as long as the user publishes it as is, which includes your contact links. If you're a good writer, you can become known as an industry expert through your online articles. In the process, you will be building valuable relationships, credibility, and backlinks as well. Another source for adding links is through a press release or news releases. Now, it used to be that a press release was used for the mass media. They were the only game in town and you needed them to get exposure. Now, if they covered you, well, you got noticed. And if they didn't, well, that's just the way it was. Today, the press releases are for everybody. Your customers, prospects, and even the mass media are your audience. A great book to get that exposes this shift in the use of the press release is The New Rules of Marketing and PR. Here's the author's site, and he has a lot of very good free downloads. You can find the downloads at this link. Today, anyone with internet access has access to press releases. Here's a few tips on building a good press release. Use press releases to push interesting content such as case studies, survey data, industry trends, as well as your company's latest developments. Utilize full names each time you are referencing someone because that is what the search engines will see and index. Likewise, you'll want to avoid most abbreviations unless it's a very popular term that people will use to search on, like, let's say, NASA, for example. Use a tool such as Google Keyword or Keyword Grader to see what the most searched words are for a given topic. Pick a couple of the most popular ones to focus on and work them into your release several times within the release. In addition, you will want to use these keywords in the title of your release and as anchor text as well. We want to take every opportunity that we have to optimize our release for the search engines. Another suggestion concerns the About Us section of your press release. This section gives the reader an overview of your company and what it does. You'll want to make sure that it's full of links and keywords as well. For example, here's Ally Videos. Ally Video Services is a video production company that helps their clients communicate more effectively with their customers and employees through custom video products in the areas of sales, training, orientation, and web design. It features unique products such as landing pages, video business cards, virtual sets, and animation to attract, interest, and convert prospects for their clients. From concept to duplication and production to marketing campaigns, Ally Video Services helps get your message delivered. You can check out Ally Video Services corporate package at avsvideo.com/package. Here is their website, avsvideo.com. As you can see, we have plenty of keywords and links embedded in the copy. The internet loves fresh content and therefore loves news releases. Now, your news releases should contain links that will help establish and build your inbound links. Remember, these links are like recommendations, so send out news releases as often as possible and track your results. Publish your press releases to your blog, Google News or Yahoo News, or one of the distribution services such as MarketWire.com or PRWeb.com. And always make sure that it has keyword-rich copy and links to plenty of landing pages. For Ally Video Services, this is Rory Graham. I'll see you next time.